Top 5 ways to find discounts and promo codes before checkout.
Looking to save money every time you shop online? Let's reveal the best strategies to uncover hidden discounts and promo codes. These easy methods can help you unlock savings before you click that checkout button. Whether you're shopping for clothes, electronics, or household items, these tips will put money back in your pocket.
1. Use coupon aggregator websites.
Coupon aggregator websites like RetailMeNot, Honey, and Coupons.com collect thousands of promo codes from across the web. Simply search for the store or product you're interested in, and you'll see a list of verified discounts. Most aggregators are free and update their codes regularly, making them a reliable starting point for any online shopper.
2. Install browser extensions.
Browser extensions such as Honey and Capital One Shopping can automatically find and apply the best coupon codes at checkout. Once installed, these tools scan for valid discounts and suggest ways to save without requiring any extra effort. They often test multiple codes to ensure you're getting the biggest savings possible.
3. Sign up for newsletters.
Many retailers reward new subscribers with exclusive promo codes. Before making a purchase, check if the store offers a sign-up bonus. Look for pop-ups or banners inviting you to join their newsletter. Besides instant discounts, being on the email list can provide early access to future sales and special offers.
4. Check social media accounts.
Brands frequently share special promotions and discount codes with their followers on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Following your favorite stores can give you access to flash sales, limited time codes, and giveaways. Some brands even offer unique codes through stories or posts for a short time.
5. Abandon your cart for follow-up offers.
If you add items to your cart but don't complete the purchase, some retailers will send you a follow-up email with a special discount to encourage you to finish your order. Make sure you're logged in or have provided your email, then wait a few hours or a day to see if an extra promo code arrives in your inbox.